I'm going to be cooking eggs Benedict. Originally, this originated from New York. So the first thing we're going to do is make the sauce. So I'm just grabbing 2 eggs. I'm separating the egg white from the egg yolk. It's quite tricky to do at first, but just as you can see, grab the egg, find the center, give it a crack, use your thumbs to ply it open, and you'll see the egg white come through and the egg yolk will remain. So that goes separate. Don't throw away the egg white, you can use it to make a meringue. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is a double boiler. So basically it's getting one pot, filling it say quarter of the way with hot water, and then putting another pot over the top. And the steam will be enough to cook the egg yolk. So place the egg yolk into the metal pot. And the secret here is just to keep things moving. So again, have your whisk on hand. I'm also using 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm slowly going to add that. As you can see, the sauce starting to thicken. Just start adding small amounts of that melted butter. Just adding a little bit more there. You're just after that nice glistening look. It's a long word. Okay, keep that turning. To give this some flavour, I'm going to be adding, say, roughly a quarter of a wedge of lemon juice. You want to give it some tang, but not too much tang. And then obviously salt and pepper to taste. Next thing I'm going to be doing is poaching the egg. Poach the egg again, get some boiling water into a small pot. I'm going to throw in say quarter of a cup of white vinegar. I'm going to now get my spoon and start creating a vortex. Keep that spinning and spinning and spinning, and at the right moment you'll see that's it. Throw in the egg. Getting about 2 to 3 spins out of this. Now, as you can see, the egg white will slowly start to coagulate, and I'm slowly just using my spoon to throw a little bit of that warm water over the egg. Key here is to just the egg as round as possible. Remember, it's all about the look. So I'm just playing around with the egg, and that looks okay. I've then got some iced water, and I put the egg into the iced water. That'll stop the egg from cooking. And to play it up, basically I'm using English muffins. Put it on toast, you can put it on sourdough bread, whatever tickles your fancy. As you can see, I'm using a tiny amount of butter. This requires you not to think about your cholesterol levels. So add that butter. As I was making the egg, I did have some bacon cooking in the oven. So on one side, you got your poached egg, and then on the other side I've got some cooked bacon, You can use mushrooms. I've seen asparagus. I've done asparagus before, some steamed asparagus, that's nice. Because you can use the sauce on the asparagus as well. If you're feeling healthy. Okay, and then just spoon that beautiful sauce over the egg. Now I'm just trying to be a little bit fancy. A few little dots over the plate. Cracked pepper over the top, and there you go, family. If someone says that you can't cook this, just say fork you.